Morning Thanksgiving fun. Morning Thanksgiving fun with this really cool fidget thing that I have. I've had it about a year now. I think I got it in my stocking as a stocking stuffer. But it's on a plastic stick, and it's like I don't like tencel material, but in strips. And it's on a little plastic slide thing, so you can kind of make it different shapes. And if you spin it, it does cool little things. And Blaze loves it so much that she broke the other one. But it's mystical, huh, Biba? Huh, Blaze? It sparkles, it makes noise, it changes shape. Everything you love, huh? Everything you love. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's Blaze Fireworks.